Well, and now we rented machine. Welcome back to another episode of the Falcon on the Hill, where we renovate our 19th century apartments in Gothenburg, Sweden. Last episode we revealed some old wooden floors, and in this episode we are going to sand all the floors in the apartment and make them super beautiful. Alright, so what we've done now is that we picked up all the nails we could find, so the nails don't destroy the belt on the floor sander. Apart from that, we're trying to really dig into all the cracks, trying to make it as good as possible for us to have really, really beautifully sanded floors. Alright, that's it for today. This is what we've done so far.
Take number one. This is only
Take number one. We're still learning. We need to buy a longer cable.
Yes.
That's something we missed.
Otherwise, I think it worked out quite well.
Yeah, it did. Teamwork makes dream work. Good morning. Oh yeah, today I'm feeling a bit tired, but what to do? The renovation continues. I hope I won't be able to carry so many things up and down our stairs, so I'll be working with this little boy and the other machine that we will use in the corners. Later, for the corners and the other areas, we're gonna use a different machine that will sand the corners in a much nicer way. So a bit slower, but perfect for the details. But yeah, thank you for all the support that everyone is giving me right now. It helps a lot. It's a lot of fun. I mean, I can't say anything about it. It's so much fun to do this work. It's just, you wake up at the sun goes up at 4:30 here in Gothenburg right now. I have no blinds. I'm not sleeping at home actually, but then it's wake up and then, let's go back to sleep. No. Let's think about the million things that you need to do today instead, and the things you need to buy from the building store and these things. So yeah. I'm running on good energy anyways. Three hours later, 5 hours later, I don't even know anymore. I think I'm done, kind of. The worst room, or the prettiest room, but most work, because the floor goes like super uneven, is done finally. So yeah, excited to show you. All right, so it's time to sand the future kitchen where I'm now. The floor is super smooth already. It's just that it still has the pigments, the white pigments, and I like it, but it's not that fresh. So we need to make the whole apartment like the same color or the same tone, wood tone, to make it look really, really nice. So yeah, with this floor I will go with quite a thin paper, or say like very high grit, I think it's called. High grit, like smaller sand particles that will sand the floor. Because I don't need to dig deep. It's not like I need to even it out. I just need to remove the top layer. So hopefully this will be like maximum 1 hour. Maybe something like that, please. Because I'm getting tired. For those of you who wonder what this is, there used to be the same type of ceramic chimney in this room, just as the one we have in the corner room, in the living room. But when they removed it, they just put wood, and yeah, it looks cool. It's a cool feature. And now, since I'm such a pro at sanding, I just want to give you some tips. First, take the with this floor again, I'm gonna use the high grit paper because we don't need to level it, we only need to sand off the top layer.